Ayuda baku services berbring. On your phone, let's tap. Ayuda get you sharp. Need a plumber or an AC guy? Ayuda app will sort you right. Electricians, cleaners, carpenters.
The Ayuda app is a digital platform that connects people that need services with skilled professionals who provide them. Think of it as a modern digital marketplace for services, just like walking into a traditional market where you can find everything you need. The app brings the same experience to your phone, but for services. Whether you need a plumber, an electrician, a cook, a nurse, any other professional, you will find a wide range of trusted and reliable service providers on the app. The inspiration behind the Ayuda app came from a problem we've all experienced: the frustration of finding reliable help when you need it the most. We all have had those urgent moments like a burst pipe, a broken appliance, or needing someone trustworthy to help at home but not knowing whom to call. Often rely on word of mouth recommendations which don't always work. We designed the Ayuda app to solve this everyday challenge by building a platform that brings convenience, trust, accessibility to every Ghanaian right from their phone. We identified several critical gaps in how services are delivered in Ghana. First, there is the time and energy people wasted for professional artisans when they need help very urgently. Secondly, there is the issue of trust, not knowing whether someone is qualified or reliable. Thirdly, payment can be a very complicated and sometimes insecure issue. We've seen these situations where our customers pay artisans upfront for work to be done, but the money gets misused. And when it's time for the job to be completed, the artisan is nowhere to be found or just keep making excuses. The Ayuda app addresses these gaps by bringing convenience directly to our customers' doorsteps. Instead of making endless calls or relying on uncertain recommendations, users get instant access to a large pool of vetted and verified professionals. We have built in a secure payment system that protects both parties by ensuring that the customer or the customers are not left out.
Real fast, payments safe all on your phone. With Ayuda, you're never alone. Ayuda baku, Ayuda no you're easy. We'll help Ayuda na you're simple. Just download them from Play Store, App Store, you go get one.
We've built in a secure payment system that protects both parties by ensuring that customers are not left vulnerable after making payments. And artisans, on the other hand, are guaranteed payments after work completion. This is because the service provider will only be paid after the customer has certified that the work has been done and is done successfully. And for service providers, Ayuda ensures that the customers also make advance payments which are held in trust on the app before the work is commenced. We also ensure competitive upfront pricing so there are no surprises. Essentially, we are taking the stress, uncertainty, financial risk, and wasted time out of finding quality services. Using the app is incredibly simple. You can download this app, the Ayuda app, from the App Store or the Play Store. The Ayuda is spelled AYUDA_APP. So when you type this on the App Store or Play Store, you can find the Ayuda app. Then you can browse through dozens of service categories, from repairs to cleaning, beauty, and healthcare services. And then you are able to select easily what you need. You will see profiles of available service professionals, complete with their ratings and reviews from previous works that they've done. Once you find someone who fits your needs, you can request directly through the app, schedule a convenient time, and even make secure payments without handling cash directly. The entire process just takes a few minutes. You will have full transparency, knowing who is coming, what their track record is, and exactly how much you will be paying. It is like having a trusted directory of professionals right in your pocket, available whenever you need them. And that's why we always tell people we are the online marketplace for services. The Ayuda app is creating real economic opportunities for skilled workers across Ghana. Many talented artisans and professionals struggle to find consistent work because they lack visibility or even access to customers beyond their immediate network. This app solves this problem by giving them a platform to showcase their skills to thousands of potential customers. Through the app, service providers can build their professional reputation from customer reviews and ratings, access a steady stream of job opportunities, and grow their client base beyond word of mouth referrals. They also benefit from secure, timely payments and ability to manage their schedules efficiently. We are essentially helping them professionalize their services and turn their skills into sustainable businesses. For many young workers, the Ayuda app has become their primary source of income and a pathway to financial independence. For the country as a whole, Ayuda aims to formalize the informal sector, which has been a very difficult sector for most governments to control and manage over the years.
Go real fast, payment safe on your phone. With Ayuda, you're never alone. Ayuda Baco services for brain. I download now, available on.
So we have a comprehensive multi-step vetting process. Every service provider goes through our rigorous screening before they can accept any service requests on the platform. First is the onboarding process, where we collect all their personal details and thoroughly cross-check that the information is accurate and legitimate. This initial verification ensures that we know exactly who is on our platform. The next is testing and training, where we conduct psychometric assessments to check the person's mental abilities, personality, and behavioral tendencies in a structured and objective way. We also certified their technical skills through our online skills testing platform to ascertain their expertise in their various specialties. They then undergo app training so they can understand how to use the platform effectively, followed by a fundamental customer service and works ethics training. This is crucial because technical skills alone is not enough. Our service providers need to know how to interact professionally with customers, communicate clearly, and conduct themselves with integrity. Finally, there is an online or in-person meeting before they are verified and activated on the app. It is only after completing all these steps successfully that the service provider gets the green check mark on the Ayuda app. But we don't stop there. We maintain quality through our rating and review system, where customers provide feedback on every service, as this helps us to monitor the performance continuously. Service providers who consistently receive poor ratings are eventually removed from the platform, and this creates a culture of accountability where the best remain and everyone is motivated to deliver excellent services.
Ayuda app will sort you right. Electricians, cleaners, carpenters too. All trust.
Customer safety is one of our top priorities. What we are used to doing in this country, as I know it, is getting references from people we know. From fence walls, from kiosks, and we assign tasks for them to perform. But for us, our focus is to formalize the entire process by making sure that we have information and identity of the person and his or her traceability. We have built several layers of protection into the platform. Every service provider is vetted and verified before they can accept service requests on the app. Also, all transactions go through the app's secure payment processing platform hosted by banks that are certified by the Bank of Ghana. Additionally, we have a customer support team available to address any concerns or issues that may arise before, during, or after a service. If something goes wrong, customers can report directly through the app, and we act quickly to get the issues resolved.
Electricians, cleaners, carpenters too. All trusted and verified for you. Just one.
We also have 100% money back guarantee for our Ayuda premium services customers. Finally, our rating system creates transparency because you can see what other customers experience with a particular service provider before you even request for his or her services. These combined measures ensure that both parties feel secure throughout the entire service delivery process. We have some really exciting developments in the pipeline. We are expanding our service categories to cover even more areas of everyday life, from specialized technical services to wellness and lifestyle offerings. We are also enhancing the user experience with features like the Ayuda wallet, which makes payments even more seamless and secure. Our in-app chat feature allows customers to chat service providers or communicate with them directly for clarifications and updates. We have a dedicated complaints section where issues can be reported and resolved very quickly, ensuring accountability on both sides. We also have introduced a work suspension feature, and this feature gives customers and service providers control and flexibility in managing their service requests as well as the scheduling. We are working on subscription packages for customers who need regular services like weekly cleaning or monthly maintenance, which will offer, we believe, a better value and convenience to our customers. Additionally, we are building stronger community features where customers and service providers interact more meaningfully through forums and direct messaging for consultations. We are also looking at geographical expansion into neighboring African countries, making the Ayuda app even more accessible to many more people. Ultimately, our vision is to become the go-to platform for general services, not only in Ghana, but Africa and beyond. And this is exactly why we always say app baako services bebree. Literally translated to mean one app, endless services.
Just one app for every task. Book with ease, they come real fast. Payments safe all on your phone. With Ayuda, you're never alone. Ayuda Bako, Ajuma no you're easy. We'll be help Ayuda na you're simple. Just download them from Play Store, App Store. You go get workmen when they give you more. Make you no stress. Ayuda
The Ayuda app offers 2 service levels: Ayuda Premium, an express and priority-based portal where Ayuda have directly assigned service providers to customers with fixed, non-negotiable payments made by the customer before service delivery. Ayuda Flex, a flexible service portal where service providers can view available job offers, negotiate with customers, and commence work upon mutual agreement.
Services I download now, available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Ayuda, we they help you live easy.
It was a very simple steps. I signed up with my Ghana card, then I did all the registration, did my examination, and then my testing, and then I have to come for in-person review, and then I was on board just like that. It's a very stress-free app to use. Actually, you see, first what we do is that you have to go to construction site, you write your number on the wall, so that when the person can call you. But with this app, you don't need to do any setting like that. The person will just put a job on the line, on the app. So it's up to you to choose. If you see the person's price and it's not okay for you, you can renegotiate with the person, and then boom, there you go. I've been using the app for about 6 months now, and then through the app, I've met some great people that without the app, I wouldn't have met them.
Within the Halidi Yakubu, me air condition. But if you say, I'm introducing Ayuda app the mameno, I say from that time now up to today, anytime I need that matinee fee, and I say, if you make a send age anytime be an age more or no more, yeko. Na me to make a send a best service app. Minim Cecilia, I okroma minim sama for you so.
Within the Georgina, me cleaner. Me whom Ayuda was social media. Na me buy Ayuda na aboa me kwa me so sika semu e ma me to me koba. Me nye bi ye 1 or 2 me to me de boa me home me de bi boa me busu anyina.
For customer service, our role sits at the heart of our operations at Ayuda Hub. So we serve as a bridge between customers and service providers, ensuring that they have a seamless experience on the app. We handle everything from onboarding to guiding the service providers to complete their registration on the Ayuda app. And for customers, we ensure that they have a seamless experience on the app. So on a whole, we ensure that customers are satisfied and always come back to us.
Hi, my name is Bernadette Jacqueline Breffo, Assistant Operations Coordinator here at Ayuda Hub Limited. At the Operations Department, we make sure that every service request that is done on the Ayuda app is handled in the right way. We do this by verifying our service providers and monitoring all ongoing jobs. The Operations Department is critically involved in all of the service requests from start to finish, ensuring that we handle any problems that may arise between customers and service providers. We also study a performance data and customer feedback to improve the quality of our services. In a nutshell, Ayuda's operational department makes sure that your Ayuda experience is very smooth and reliable.
You can download the Ayuda app on Google Play Store and App Store. Follow us on all social media handles, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at Ayuda App Ghana. App back home. Services Libre.
Ayuda Bako Services Libre. Ayuda app will sort you right. Electricians, cleaners, carpenters too, all trusted and verified for you. Just one app for every task. Book with ease, they come real fast. Payments safe all on your phone. With Ayuda, you're never alone. Ayuda Bako Services Libre. Hey, download now. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Ayuda,